Hey guys, Dimitri Pence here with the Outer Crest. So if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram or know me in person, you probably already know, but I decided to basically take a summer-long trip in the bus and go to the Pacific Northwest. I'm gonna go over there and see some family, do some filming, travel around with the dogs, get them out of the heat. So before I leave, I kind of wanted to do a checklist for myself in the bus, so I thought I could take you guys along with it and show you kind of what I'm doing, and that way if you're doing something similar, traveling around in an RV or a trailer or some sort of conversion, you can do your own checklist and kind of think of the things that you need to do before you leave. The first major thing that I needed to do was my tires on the bus. The back rears, there's 4 of them, they're dualies, so I need to get those replaced. They were pretty far out of date. I went to Les Schwab and they took good care of me. I honestly would recommend them too. They do a good job. I got some nice off-road tires and I'm pretty excited about it actually. After that, I like to go and I check kind of all my little toys and all my little things. I have my paddleboard, I've got my mountain bike, not really a toy, but something that's necessary, my generator. I made sure and went and checked all of those guys. Basically just pumped up the paddleboard to make sure that there were no holes during storage, nothing like that. Started the generator up. And then as far as my bike goes, there was a little nut missing, so I went to the bike shop and I got myself a new one. So another thing that I did was I wanted to make sure that I would have internet throughout my trip, or some sort of internet. So I went to AT&T and I got a hotspot linked up with my cell phone. You can normally get up to, I think, 1,500 gigabytes of data with a hotspot, but I was talking to the manager and he kind of helped me out with some way to basically get unlimited data on the hotspot. So pretty much wherever I'm at, I'm gonna be able to get some, well, if I've got cell phone service, then I'll be able to have Wi-Fi for my computer and my PlayStation and everything. After that, you know, essentials, you're gonna wanna check, make sure you have water, some sort of water storage. I've got myself 5-gallon water, like 2 5-gallon water tanks, I think. And then just plan ahead to see where you're gonna be able to fill up. And you know, that's not just with water, you're gonna wanna do that with everything. You're gonna wanna look and find places to go shower. If you don't have a shower in your RV or whatever it is, you're probably gonna wanna get either a gym pass, which is what I'm gonna do, or figure out where your spots are. I think a lot of rest areas have some. And also, if you're kind of off-grid, you can also get a solar shower, which I have. It's just a little 5-gallon black bag that you fill up with water, and it's got a little spout coming off of it, so you can kind of rinse yourself off. That's pretty much gonna be it for the most part. Obviously, if you've got something that you're driving, you're gonna want to check your oil. Check your oil filter. Just check all your little sockets. Check anything that can be an issue on the way over there. Oh, one more thing. I am looking into it myself, but I'm looking to get basically vacation insurance on my bus, so that way if anybody breaks in or anything kind of strange happens while I'm traveling, then it should be covered. So if you're doing something like that, I would look into it as well. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.